Imagine waking up every morning to money in your account without doing anything overnight. Sounds too good to be true? Well, what if I told you it's possible, and I'm going to show you how in the next few minutes. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that could change everything. Everyone wants to make money, but what if you could make money while you sleep? That's right, passive income. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or someone looking for a side hustle, today I'm going to reveal 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you earn money without constantly trading your time for cash. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started. Let's kick things off with idea number 1, investing in dividend stocks. This is a simple yet effective way to make money while you sleep. Here's how it works. You buy shares in companies that pay dividends. These are essentially small, regular payments made to you by the company as a portion of their profits. These payments usually happen quarterly and can be reinvested back into the stock market, helping your investment grow even faster. Let me give you an example. Imagine you invest in a company that pays $5 in dividends every quarter for each share you own. If you own 100 shares, that's $500 every 3 months or $2,000 annually just for owning those shares. And here's where it gets exciting. If you reinvest those dividends into buying more shares, you're compounding your money, which means more dividends, more shares, and more income. It's a simple way to make your money work for you. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Just pick companies you trust, and over time, your passive income can really grow. Next up, passive income idea number 2. Create and sell an online course. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others would pay to learn? This could be anything from photography, digital marketing, fitness, or even teaching people how to build passive income. Once you create the course, you can sell it online, and it will be available 24/7 to anyone who wants to learn from you. You don't need to be a tech expert to create a course. You can use platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or Coursera, which allow you to upload your content and set your price. All you need is a clear and valuable course that people are eager to learn. The beauty of online courses is that once they're created, they run themselves. You can make money even while you're sleeping or on vacation. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be on camera either. You can create your course using slides, voiceovers, and simple tutorials. It's a hands-off way to create a scalable business. Moving on to idea number 3, write and sell an ebook. Do you have a talent for writing? You don't need to write a novel. An ebook can be anything from a how-to guide, a self-help book, a fitness program, or even a collection of tips on a topic you're passionate about. The great thing about ebooks is that they're digital, meaning no inventory to manage and no shipping costs. You write it once, and it can continue to generate sales for years. You can sell your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or directly through your own website. Once it's published, it's available worldwide for people to download. The best part is that, unlike traditional books, your ebook can be sold to an unlimited number of people, making it a scalable source of income. The beauty is in its evergreen nature. Once it's out there, it continues to earn passive income with minimal effort from you. Fourth, let's talk about dropshipping. This is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income, and it's all about selling products without worrying about inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store and choose products to sell. When someone places an order, your supplier handles the shipping and fulfillment, while you earn the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price you set. Unlike traditional e-commerce, where you have to store and ship products, dropshipping lets you run a business without touching the products. Your main job is to market the products and drive traffic to your store through ads, social media, or content marketing. Once your store is set up, it's largely hands-off. Your supplier takes care of everything else, meaning you can earn money passively while doing other things. Finally, idea number 5, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most accessible ways to earn passive income. Essentially, you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can share affiliate links on your blog, YouTube videos, Instagram, or even in email newsletters. Here's how it works. Let's say you recommend a product you love on your blog, and someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. You earn a commission on that sale. You don't need to create any products yourself, and you don't handle customer service? The key to success in affiliate marketing is finding products that align with your audience's interests, and the more you promote, the more you earn. Over time, with the right strategy, affiliate links can generate passive income while you focus on other projects. Now here's your bonus tip, the game changer to truly boost your passive income. Create multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one of these methods. By diversifying your passive income sources, you can create a steady and reliable flow of money, which will give you more financial freedom in the long run. So which passive income idea will you try first? Start today, and in no time, you'll be on your way to earning money even while you're catching up on your favorite shows or taking a nap. If you found these tips helpful, don't keep them to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with anyone ready to make money while they sleep. Let's build wealth together, one idea at a time.